Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Hyundai I30 SX, stock reference number 5337. The shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 4th month 2012. It has a G4 GC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4 GC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, left power door mirror. Bonnet has one small dent, left front door has two small dents, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has no damage, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with no audio or cruise control.